Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of salt and how it affects the brain. But did you know that not all salts are created equal? Let's take a closer look at each type of salt and its effects on the brain. First up is table salt, the most commonly used salt in the world. Table salt is heavily processed and stripped of all its minerals, leaving only sodium and chloride. While some sodium is necessary for our bodies to function properly, excessive intake can lead to high blood pressure and other health problems. Studies have also shown that high sodium intake can negatively affect cognitive function and memory. Next, we have sea salt, a natural and unprocessed form of salt that contains trace minerals like magnesium and potassium. These minerals can support brain function and improve cognitive performance. However, it's important to note that sea salt still contains sodium and should be used in moderation. Excessive intake can lead to health problems and negatively affect brain function. Now let's talk about Himalayan salt, a pink-colored salt that comes from the Punjab region of Pakistan. Himalayan salt is also unprocessed and contains minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. In addition to supporting brain function, some studies have suggested that Himalayan salt may improve respiratory function and reduce inflammation. However, it's important to use Himalayan salt in moderation as it still contains sodium. Finally, we have kosher salt, which is named for its use in the koshering process of meats. Kosher salt is less processed than table salt, but more refined than sea salt, and its large, coarse crystals make it ideal for seasoning meats and other savory dishes. While kosher salt does contain sodium, its texture and flavor make it a popular choice among chefs and home cooks alike. However, it's important to use kosher salt in moderation to avoid excessive sodium intake and negative effects on brain function. Wait, there's one more type of salt we haven't discussed yet, black salt. This salt, also known as kala namak, is commonly used in Indian cuisine and is known for its distinct sulfurous aroma. Black salt is high in sulfur, which gives it its unique flavor and also has potential health benefits. Sulfur is important for the production of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports brain health and can improve cognitive function. And lastly, we have pink peppercorn, which is not actually a type of salt but is often used as a salt substitute. Pink peppercorn is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. While pink peppercorn is a great alternative to traditional salt, it's important to note that it doesn't contain sodium. So, if you're using it as a seasoning, you'll need to make sure you're also consuming other sources of sodium in your diet. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the neuroscience of salt and its effects on the brain. Remember, there are many different types of salt with varying levels of health benefits and potential drawbacks. Choose the right salt for your needs, use it in moderation, and stay curious. See you next time.